What is that, Miles?
No.
Excavating. He's excavating. You want to get on that? You want
What?
to see it up close?
It's Nile River. It's the river.
Uh, what are they doing over there?
Constructing something.
What's that excavator doing?
Digging.
What's the bottom of it called?
Trash.
What's the what's that bucket thing?
A scoop.
A scoop?
Yeah.
What's the arm?
The arm and stone. It's the broom.
Is it connected by starts with a J? Is it a joint?
Yeah, joint. It's a joint. Okay, let's go.
You see it? You see the skid skidder? Watch out! Yeah. I think he's putting dirt back in the hole.